Welcome back to ADA video lectures. Today we will discuss flip-flops. So before going to that flip-flops, let us briefly recapitulate what we discussed in the previous class. So previous class we talked about latches. So latch is a one-bit storing element. We are implementing, we see two types of latches by using NAND gate and NOR gate. So we'll see in the respect to truth table for latch using NAND gate and latch using NOR gate. So here one state is indeterminate state in both cases. That means practically it is not possible to implement. So for that reason, we go for flip-flops. So by using flip-flops, we can use indeterminate state also in practical. Okay. So flip-flops is also a one-bit storing elements. Flip-flops are constructed by using latches only. Okay. Both are one-bit elements. Okay. And also we see now what is the difference between combinational and sequential circuits. So in the sequential circuit, we are using one memory element. That means output depends not only present in the present inputs, but also depends on past inputs. That means combinational output is feedback to the input. Then we will take it as output. Then it is sequential circuits. So today we will see flip-flops. So latches are transparent. Any change on the input is seen at the output immediately when clock is 1. So this causes synchronization problems. So for that solution is use latches to create flip-flops that can respond or update only on specific times instead of any time. So flip-flops is also a one-bit storing element. By using latches, we can create flip-flops instead of any time. Okay. So these are different types of flip-flops available. SR flip-flops, D flip-flop, T flip-flop, JK flip-flop. We will see coming slides. We will see. So flip-flop is like this. See, this one is flip-flop. F by F, we call it as flip-flop. So here one output. So this is called QN output, and this one is QN bar. And this one is, for example, it is SR means this is S and this is R. And one clock. C means one clock. Okay, so here output is QN and complement of the output is QN bar. That means this is present state. When we will get next state means that present output is feedback to the input again, we will get next state. So next state we call it as QN plus 1. So next state complement is QN plus 1 bar. So this one is present state PS and this one is next state, we call it as NS. Okay, so this is the introduction about flip-flops. So now we will see the classification of flip-flops. So the basic flip-flop is SR flip-flop. One is SR flip-flop, D flip-flop, delay flip-flop or JK flip-flop and T flip-flop. We will see one by one. So today we will see the SR flip-flop in detail. Okay. Today we will see the SR flip-flop. So this is called SR flip-flop. So this is the block diagram for SR flip-flop. Okay. This is the block diagram for SR flip-flop. See, C for here clock. So SR flip-flop is by using NAND gate. So this one is NAND gate. How many NAND gates are there? 4 NAND gates. So here output is QN. So this one is Qn and this one is Qn bar. So this is the present state. So we don't know present state what is there, either 0 or 1, we don't know. So Qn plus 1, Qn plus 1 is the next state, present state and next state. So next state complement is Qn plus 1 bar. So this is the next state complement. So here how many combinations we have here? Yes or means, so 4 combinations we will get. So 4 combinations means, for example, uh, so this is yes R. So this is yes R, and clock is also there, C for clock. And outputs are, so this one is present state, this one is next state. Qn plus 1 is the next state. So we will see one by one. For example, if clock is 0, so we'll get nothing. So if clock is 0 means we will get nothing. So always clock we will maintain 1. So first combination is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So these are the combinations. So we don't know the present state. We don't know the present state here. So that's why we call it as don't care. We put don't care condition here. So this is don't care, don't care, don't care and don't care. Okay. So now we will find the next state. Now we will find the next state. Okay. How? So first we will see, or we will give input. First option is 0 0. So 0 0 means now this one S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0. This one is Qn and this one is Qn bar. So this is present state. So next state is Qn plus 1 and Qn plus 1 bar. So this is the next state. Okay. So first we are given 0 0. What happened we will see. So 0, clock means 1. 0 into 1. So it is 0 and complement is, we will get 0 complement is 1. Okay. So this is 1. First we will calculate Qn plus 1. Okay. What is the next state for first terminal? So next state is Qn plus 1. So Qn plus 1 is equal to this one. Qn plus 1 is equal to how much? Now we will calculate. So 0. So this is 0. This is 1. So it is a NAND gate, means 0 into 1 0 and complement is 1. So we will get output here 1. So this is 1. Now this 1 is given to another NAND gate, first input. Second input is Qn bar. So this Qn bar is given. So 1 into Qn bar. Qn bar. This is NAND gate means whole bar. So 1 into Qn bar is equal to Qn bar, and whole complement means we will get Qn. We will get Qn. Okay. So this is the first case. Okay. Whenever 0 0 0 is given, we will get next state as the same present state. Next state is equal to present state. So Qn plus 1 is the next state here. So this is the present state. Qn is the present state, Qn plus 1 is the next state. Whenever 0 0 input is given, next state is equal to the present state. That means Qn. Okay. Next we will see other combination. What is other combination here? So this is over. Next we will see 0 1 case. So 0 1 case we will see. So this is 0 and this is 1. So we know that this terminal is the present state is Qn and complement of the present state is Qn bar. So this is called present state. Next state means Qn plus 1 is the next state, and Qn plus 1 is complement means next state complement. Now we will find this one, Qn plus 1, how much for this input 0 1. So Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn plus 1 is equal to, so 0, S is equal to 0, 0 into clock is equal to 1. 0 into 1 means 0, 0 complement means 1. Okay. Then, so 1 into, this is Qn bar. So 1 into Qn bar whole bar is equal to Qn. So here we will get Qn. Okay. Next we will calculate this one. So next state complement means Qn plus 1 whole bar. Because we are not getting any value, we go for other option. Qn plus 1 bar is equal to this one. So this is 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 complement is equal to 0. So we are giving 0, 1 input and other input is Qn. So that means 0 into Qn whole bar. It is NAND gate means whole bar. So 0 into anything 0, whole bar is equal to 1. So we will get 1. So this is a Qn plus 1 bar. It is 1. It is the complement when Qn plus 1 is equal to something. Here Qn plus 1 bar is equal to 1 means definitely by using this reference Qn is definitely 0 because both are complement. Qn plus 1 is the next state. Next state complement is Qn plus 1 whole bar. If Qn plus 1 whole bar is equal to 1 means definitely must and should Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So we got two cases. So first case we are getting Qn. So this one is Qn. And second state we are getting, what is the second state? We are getting 0. So second state we are getting 0. Next we will see the third case. Third case means 1 0 case. Okay. So this is 1, this is 0. So clock is always 1. Okay. So this is present state. Present state complement is Qn bar. So this is PS means present state. What is the next state? Qn plus 1 is the next state. Next state complement is Qn plus 1 whole bar is the next state complement. So this is next state. Okay. Now we will see the 1 0 case. So 1 0 case means here 1 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 complement is equal to 0. Then one input is 0, other input is 0, other input is Qn bar. That is, now we will calculate Qn plus 1 state, means that is next state is equal to first input is 0 into other input is Qn bar. Other input is Qn bar, is NAND gate means whole bar. So 0 into anything 0, whole bar is equal to 1. So we got 1 for 1 0 case. Next we go for other case, final case. What is the final case? 1 1 case. So S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1. So this one Qn is the present state, Qn bar is the present state of the complement PS. So what is the next state? So if present state is Qn means next state is Qn plus 1. So what is the next state of complement means Qn plus 1 whole bar is the next state of the complement. Okay. Now we will find the Qn plus 1. So Qn plus 1 is equal to this terminal, first terminal. So 1 into 1, clock is always 1 means 1 into 1, 1 complement is 0. So one input is 0, other input is, one input is 0 into other input is this one, other input is Qn bar. So this one is Qn bar whole bar. So 0 into anything 0, 0 whole bar is equal to 1. You get 1. Next we will find the Qn plus 1 complement of the next state. So complement of the next state is equal to, so here R is equal to 1. So 1 into 1, clock is equal to 1 means 1. 1 complement is equal to 0. So one input given to NAND gate is 0. Other input is Qn, it is feedback. So other input is Qn. So 0 into Qn whole bar. So 0 into Qn means 0, 0 whole bar is equal to 1. So you can observe Next state Qn plus 1 is equal to 1. Complement of the Qn plus 1 is also 1. So this case is not possible in practical way. So it is possible only theoretical. It is practical, it is not possible. So that's why if Qn plus 1 1 means Qn plus 1 whole bar must be 0, but here we got 1. So this case is not possible in practical. That's why we call it as the state is indeterminate state, denoted as id, indeterminate state. So the state is wasted. Whatever the input 1 is given, simply we can't find the output. Okay, this state is indeterminate state. So here 1 0 case we are getting 1. 1 0 case we are getting 1, and 1 1 case we are getting indeterminate state. So this is the truth table for SR flip-flop. So this is the truth table for SR flip-flop. Okay. So by using this SR flip-flop truth table, we can find the SR flip-flop equation. Okay. Now we will see how to find the equation. Okay. So I redraw the truth table. I redraw the truth table for SR flip-flop. So our topic now is subtopic is equation for SR flip-flop. So truth table is SR. So this one is Qn and this one is Qn plus 1. Okay, this one is present state. This one is next state. For 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so present state we don't know, that's why we put it as don't care. So this one is don't care, this one is don't care, this one is don't care. Okay, what is the next state? Just now we got. So next state is for 0 0 Qn, for 0 1 0 and 1 0 1. This state is indeterminate state. So this is the truth table for SR flip-flop. This is the truth table for SR flip-flop. Okay. So whenever 0 0 is given, irrespective of the present state, next state is same state only, same present state only. 0 1, irrespective of the present state, we get all zeros. For 1 0, we get 1. For 1 1, it is a indeterminate state. Okay. So this is the truth table for SR flip-flop. Now we will find the expression for SR flip-flop by using this truth table. So by using this truth table, we can find the expression for SR flip-flop. So now this one is yes R Qn and Qn plus 1. Okay. So we know that this one is 0 0. SR is 0 0. Here don't care. Don't care means we denoted as cross. It may be 0 or 1. It may be 0 or 1. Okay. So this is one combination. Next, we write it as here 0 0. Okay. So next combination is 0 1. So here 0 1. So don't care means we put it as 0 or 1. Okay, 0 or 1, this is same 0 1. Okay. So next, what is the other case? 1 0 case. So 1 0 means 1 0 and cross. Don't care means either 0 or 1. So for 1 0 case. Next 1 1 case. So 1 1 means it is indeterminate state. Indeterminate state means either 0 or 1. 0 or 1. So it may be 0 or 1. So by using truth table, we are implementing equation for SR flip-flop. So here just by here cross don't care means we are extending the truth table. Don't care in the place we are adding 0 1. Here 0 1, here 0 1, here also 0 1, here also 0 1, here 0 1. Okay. Now we will see for 0 0 input, what is the output is Qn. For 0 0 input, this is the 0 0 input. What is the output here? Qn. Qn, what is Qn there? Here 0. For 0 0 input, what is the output Qn? What is Qn here? Here 1. Then 0 1. So 0 1 is applied. So 0 1 means what is Qn? Qn is equal to 0 here. So irrespective of the present state, this one is present state. Irrespective of the present state, for 0 1 input we get output as 0 and 0. Okay, understood this one? I repeat, concentrate. Whenever 0 1 is given, so in truth table 0 1 we will get next state as 0. So irrespective of either 0 or 1 in the present state, we will get 0 only. So because in truth table, whenever 0 1 is applied, we will get next state as 0. Then we will see next combination is 1 0 case. So 1 0 case means 1 0 case means we are getting 1 next state as 1. So 1 0 we are applying next state as 1 irrespective of this present state. So next state as 1. Okay. Then 1 1. So 1 1 is given means we will get it is indeterminate state means either we don't know, don't cares. So we will get either 0 or 1. Here either 0 or 1 we will get. Okay. So this is the extended truth table for SR flip-flop. So by using this one, we make it as we will find the expression for SR flip-flop. Okay. So here three inputs. Here three inputs. What are they? S, R, and Qn. Why it is Qn is also input means Qn is always feedback to the input. That's why it is three inputs and one output here. So three input means how to find the expression for SR flip-flop means by using three input means we use three variable K-map. So we know that three variable K-map. So I will draw the three variable K-map. So this is the three variable K-map. Okay. So this one is Qn and this one is SR. So this one is 0, this one is 1. So here 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Okay, this is the three variable K-map. So now we will find the output where we will get 1. Where we will get 1 here. Here we will get 1. So this one is which term this one? For SR is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 1. SR is equal to 0, 0, 0, and Qn is equal to 1 means this is the case. Next, this one. SR is equal to 0, 1, and Qn is equal to 0. SR is equal to 0, 1. SR is equal to 0, 1. This case. SR is equal to here. SR is equal to 1, 0. SR is equal to 1, 0 and Qn is equal to 0. SR is equal to 1, 0 means this one and Qn is equal to 0 means this one is 1. Then next, what is 1? SR is equal to 1, 0 and Qn is equal to 1. We will get 1. So SR is equal to 1, 0. SR is equal to 1, 0 and Qn is equal to 1. So this is Qn is equal to 1 means we will get 1. Next, if SR is equal to 1, 1 and Qn is equal to 0, we will get 1. Okay. SR is equal to 1, 1. Qn is equal to 0. We will get don't care. SR is equal to 1, 1. Qn is equal to 0 means we will get this one. Next case, if SR is equal to 1, 1, Qn is equal to 1, we will get don't care. So SR is equal to 1, 1. So this is the SR is equal to 1, 1. Qn is equal to 1 means this box. So we will get don't care. Now we will map. How to map here? Don't care. It is a 4 square boxes. 2 square boxes are don't cares and 1, 1 means we will map like this. Then we will get which expression. So here 1, 1, 1, 0. Which one is common? So S is the common. Okay. Then we will map adjacent square boxes and this one and this one. Now we will get Qn. Now we will get Qn and 0, 0 and 1, 0. Which one is common? R. So Qn into R. Qn into R bar. It is 0 means Qn into R bar. So finally, so this is for what is the next state? Qn plus 1 is equal to S plus Qn into R bar. S plus Qn into R bar. So this is the expression for SR flip-flop. This is the expression for SR flip-flop. Okay. So now, till now we've seen how to get the truth table from SR flip-flop block diagram. Then we've seen equation for SR flip-flop. Now we will see the excitation table for SR flip-flop. Okay. So how to get the excitation table for SR flip-flop? We will see now. Okay. Our topic is now excitation table for SR flip-flop. How to get excitation table for SR flip-flop means, so it is from our first job is we have to write the truth table for SR flip-flop. We know that S, R and Qn and Qn plus 1. So Qn is the present state and Qn plus 1 is the next state. Okay. Now, so first combination is 0, 0. This one is don't. So now I write the SR flip-flop truth table 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So this is don't care. Present state we don't know. We put it as don't care, and don't care. So next state is Qn. Qn. This one is 0. This one is 1, and this one is we don't care. We don't know the state. So we call it as ID, determinant state. So this is the truth table. So I forgot to tell one thing here. So we got truth table here means whenever 0, 0 is given means Qn means, so next state is there is no change means the state we call it as no change. State we call it as no change, and 1, 0 means we are giving means we will get next state as 0 means we call it as reset state. Then 1, 0 we will get 1 means it is called as set state. Okay. So whenever 0, 0 no change, 0, 1 means reset state, 1, 0 means set state, and 1, 1 means indeterminate state. Okay. So for excitation table, our first job is write the truth table for SR flip-flop. So just now I wrote the truth table for SR flip-flop. So from that, again we have to write here present state Qn and Qn plus 1 next state. So this is present state, next state, and here S into R. So these are the mandatory inputs. Okay, these are the mandatory inputs. So how we will get the mandatory inputs by from truth table, extended truth table. So here don't care. Cross means we will get either 0 or 1. Here also either 0 or 1. Here also either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1. Okay. Here Qn means we will get same state means we will get 0 and 1. Here 0 means 0, 1 is the input. We will get 0 means we will get 0 and 0 irrespective of present state. Here 1 means 1 and 1. Here 1 0 means it is indeterminate state. We will leave it that one. So here how many combinations Qn plus 1 means 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 4 combinations. Now we will find the mandatory inputs for SR. So whenever 0 0, what is the mandatory input for SR? So now we will see here how many 0 zeros are there. Now we will find. So this one is 0 0 1 case, and here also 0 0 1 case. Okay, so we will write here SR. For 0 0, which combination here? This one is 0 0. Then here also we are getting 0 0 means what is the input? Respect to input is 0 1. Okay, so from this you can observe S is 0 0. That means it's mandatory. We have to give the 0. S is equal to 0. So this is 0. R is equal to cross means don't care. That means either 0 or 1. Okay, so this is called excitation for 0 1. Next we will see 0 1 case. Okay, how many 0 1s 0 1s are visible here? 0 1 0 1, only one is there. Okay, only one here, this one. For which input? Input is 1 0. So this is 1 0. Okay, next next input is 1 0 case. How many 1 zeros are there? We will see how many 1 zeros. Only 1 0 here, this combination. So 1 0 we will get by applying 0 1. So we wrote it as 0 1. Okay, then 1 1 case we will see now. Okay, so this is 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Next final one is 1 1 case. How many ones are there here? Here 1 1 1, and here 1 1, here 1 1, 2 1 1s. So first 1 1 is 0 0, and second 1 1 is 1 0. That means this is mandatory. 0 0 means R is mandatory. So R is equal to 0. It is mandatory input, and S is 0 or 1 means we put it as don't care. So this is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. Okay, you can simply remember how to get excitation table means. So next state in SR flip-flop, write it as it is. Says here 0 0. It is a trick. Uh, it is a trick means how to get excitation table means In excitation table, yes must be next state. So all are 0, 0. Here 1 is writing as it is and 0 is writing as it is. Only last one we write it as don't care. Then or we will get means reverse. So from here we will reverse it. Cross don't care 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So it is the trick to find the excitation table from SR truth table. Okay. So this is called excitation table. So let us briefly summarize what I discussed in this session. Means uh, what first we find the truth table from the block diagram. Okay, from truth table from 0, 0 we get Qn, 0, 1 we will get 0, 1, 0 we will get 1, 1, 1 we get indeterminate state. That means for 0, 0 is no change condition. For 0, 1 means reset condition. For 1, 0 means set condition we got. So that is the truth table. After that, we are finding the expression for or equation for SR flip-flop. So how to get the expression for SR flip-flop? That is also from truth table only. Simply we are extending the truth table to don't care. For don't care means 0, 1. Don't care means 0, 1. Like that we have to extend it and map by using three variable k map we can get the expression for SR flip-flop. Then what is the next step? Excitation table. So excitation table is also got from basic truth table only. Okay, basic truth table only will get the excitation table. What do you mean by excitation table? Means we have to find the mandatory inputs for SR. What is the mandatory for yes, what is the like that we have to find the mandatory input. So in excitation table mandatory inputs are yes for 0, 0 mandatory input is yes for 0 mandatory input. For 0, 1 s is equal to 1 and r is equal to 0, it is mandatory. For 1, 0 case, S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1. This is mandatory. And for 1, 1 case, R is equal to 0. This is mandatory case. Okay. This is for SR flip-flop. Okay. Next class, we will see the some other flip-flop. Okay. Okay. Thank you.